Hello, I'm Smith. This video will talk about how to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2018. And today I will show how much money I had earned from affiliate marketing and explain why you should join that. How to make money online fast with affiliate 2018. More than 15,000 advertisers rely on affiliate marketing for part of their revenue today. According to a recent study carried out by Forrester Consulting, affiliate marketing is emerging as a key tool to engage consumers with compelling products. This is happening due to heightened user expectations for compelling and relevant content. A whopping 84% of publishers are turning to affiliate marketing to get new opportunities for driving revenue to their sites and differentiated content as well. Affiliate marketing is apparently the easiest online business model to start earning passive income online. It's low-cost, high-profit industry. On the other hand, it also might happen to be a tough one. All the challenges are on you and performance relies on your determination, approach and the affiliate strategy you choose to follow. There are tons of benefit when choose make money online with affiliate marketing. Number 1. Billion-dollar business. As I've already mentioned in the introduction of this post, affiliate marketing is a billion-dollar industry that is lately prospering pretty well, and this seems to be the primary advantage of it. It's a big incentive to get your share, isn't it? Number 2. Low-cost business idea. The definitive advantage of affiliate marketing is the fact that it is a pretty easy industry to join, namely because there are no barriers to entry. It's just a matter of your decision. All you have to do is to create an affiliate marketing website, but you can also become an affiliate marketer without a website, choose a compelling niche and finally a particular product or products, goods, that are relevant for you to market. Then you simply sign up for a selected affiliate marketing program, and you're ready to start. Number 3. No expertise needed, because practice makes perfect. You don't need to be a marketing expert right away to become an affiliate. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can learn along the way, testing various organic or paid campaigns. Also, there are plenty of ways to run and manage affiliate marketing programs. Leverage any your marketing experience gained before and try to identify what performs best and brings the most profits. Then optimize and repeat the successful patterns to get results. Number 4. Low investment costs. In the beginning, the operating expenses of the affiliate business are almost non-existent, comparing to other industries. You work online so that you can do it from your home well enough, and then you only have the basic electricity and ISP subscription costs to cover. Optionally, there are additional expenses related to setting up a domain, web hosting operator, and also some minor costs about designing layout, etc., provided that you decide to establish your affiliate marketing website. Number 5. Secondary source of income. Starting up as an affiliate marketer doesn't require you to leave your current job. You can do it as a side project and see what you can squeeze out of it over the few first months. Number 6. Convenience and flexibility. Practically, you can continuously create multiple campaigns on different affiliate websites and landing pages to market your affiliate links so that you can abandon the poorly performing ones and optimize the successful ones. Number 7. Customer service is not in your interest. Retaining customers and managing customer service-related issues gets problematic at times. Fortunately, as an affiliate, you don't need to bother about that. All you care about is your commission, so anytime you get a post-sale query, you just pass such requests on to the merchant's customer service team and wash your hands clean of the entire matter. Number 8. The independence. The flexibility of making your working environment on your own and according to your will, is also a strong incentive. Whether it's in the Bahamas or a picturesque Italian village, you decide where your office is located. You can work everywhere as long as you have, obviously, an internet connection. Does this concept speak to your imagination?